So let's look at one more example with indeterminate powers. We want to find the limit as x goes to infinity, x e to the x to the 1 over x power. So the x e to the x is approaching infinity here, and then the 1 over x is approaching 0. So infinity to the 0, that is one of our indeterminate forms. So we want to use logarithms here, and we will let y equal the x e to the x to the 1 over x power, and now take logs of both sides. So ln of y will equal ln of x e to the x to the 1 over x power, and now inside exponents factor down, so that's going to be 1 over x times natural log of x e to the x, and you could write that as natural log x e to the x over x. And you can even simplify a little bit further, because the log of e to the x would just be x, and these guys are multiplied. Multiplication inside is addition outside the log. So this is equal to natural log of x plus natural log of e to the x, and then divide by x. And that's going to be ln of x plus cancellation laws, ln and e cancel, that's just an x. So ln of x plus x over x. And now we want to look at the limit as x goes to infinity of the natural log of y, this, which is this expression. So this will equal the limit x goes to infinity. And let's take the x and put it out in front. So we'll write that numerator as x plus ln x over x. And now as x goes to infinity, x and ln x both go to infinity. This x goes to infinity. This is form infinity over infinity. So we can use L'Hopital. So we will now differentiate top and bottom separate. So limit x goes to infinity. Derivative x is 1. Derivative ln x is 1 over x. And then denominator, derivative x is 1. And now as x goes to infinity, this 1 over x approaches 0. So this looks like 1 plus 0 over 1, which is 1. So again, we showed that natural log of y approaches 1. So then exponentiate on both sides. So e to the natural log of y will approach e to the 1. And e to the ln of y, those guys would cancel. That's the same thing as y. So y is approaching e. So this limit is also e, which is kind of interesting that both of those limits turned out to be e. This number just pops up every place.